Good morning, beautiful people. It's Jenna here. So, it's been a while since I made my vlog. And for today's video, naisip ko na ipakita sa inyo yung ganap ko ngayong araw. And when I say ganap, kasi meron akong eyelashes appointment today, 12. Now it's already almost 11. So, kailangan nandun na ako ng 12. But for today, I will show you, yes, the process, how my lashes done, kung paano ginawa yung lashes ko, and of course, I will tell you why I need to get my lashes done. So, for those people who don't know me, I am tourism student. Wow. I am graduating student. Yes, I am graduating student. And naka-receive na kami ng announcement na kailangan naming pumunta sa Matrix School for the pictorial. Yes. Yes, alam ko nagkakaroon na kayo ng idea. Yes. Kaya ako magpapalashes kasi tingnan nyo naman yung lashes ko, di ba? Yan. Kalbo. Kailangan ko magpalashes para sa pictorial kasi once in a lifetime lang yun, so kailangan maganda ang lola nyo, di ba? So anyway, but before that, kailangan kong alisin muna yung nails, yung nail color ko kasi pangit na. So di ba? Yeah. Oh my god. Congratulations everyone. Kasi gagraduate na tayo. Oh my god. Diba? Kailangan ko na talagang alisin yung nail color kasi pangit na talaga siya. But once again, congratulations for the students who will graduate this year. My God! And isa ako doon. My God, I'm so excited. I'm really excited, you know. But at the same time, I'm very nervous kasi yung totoo pala yun, no, na kahit gagraduate ka ng college, you think it's really easy. Like, you think na, okay, I'm done already with the school. Pero yung pala, akala mo, okay ka na. Yung pala, ang pinaka-hard part is when you are a graduating student. You know what I mean? Like, you will think what kind of job you will pursue. Kasi, ngayon, nandun ako sa level na yon na parang, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung anong gusto kong trabaho. What I mean is, I know na may mga job opportunities for me as tourism student. But the thing is, it's really hard to find yung gustong-gusto kong trabaho na talagang mag-e-enjoy ako. So hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin ako sa pace na yon. Yun yung pinag-iisipan ko. Ilang months na, oh my God. Ilang months ko na siyang pinag-iisipan. Alam kong hindi lang ako yung nakakaranas ng ganong stress na parang, oh my God, gagraduate na ako. Anong trabaho yung gusto ko? Alam kong yung iba ganun din. At totoo talaga, my God. Akala mo pag nakatapos ka na ng college na yun, akala mo okay, madali na lang ang lahat, kikita na ako ng pera. No, it's not like that. It's really different. It's really hard to decide something and make decisions for your life. So, ready na ako for my appointment? Yes. So, probably malate ako, probably not. Diba? So, anyway, it's 11:16. So, kailangan ko nang mag-book. So, see ya. Malate talaga ako. Uy, bilis. Kuya, Jenalyn Mercado po. Opo. Nakarating ako 11:50. So, meron pa ako 10 minutes before my spending. So, ito yung itsura nila kapag dumating ka sa branch nila sa Pasig. Yan. So, ito yung mga service nila. Yan, and then, lakad staffing area. And, here. When you arrive, they will ask your name and ask you to fill up the form. After that, you need to go to the second floor para doon nila gawin yung lashes mo. Ito nga pala yung itsura nila sa loob. Sobrang ganda at comfortable sa loob. Pero, naiinis ako kasi na-realize ko na wala pala akong holder ng phone. In short, hindi ko makunan yung video yung process ng paggawa nila sa lashes ko. Kaya naman wala akong choice kundi hindi mag-take ng video. After noon, nag-book na ako ng Move It para makauwi na. Pero hindi talaga ako maka-move on kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng lashes ko. Kaya naman, kung gusto ninyo ng gantong lashes, punta lang kayo sa BKS. By the way, ito pala yung hitsura ng lashes ko. Diba? O, ang ganda. Kaya naman, ano pang hintayin ninyo, mag-book na kayo. And by the way, sorry kasi sabi ko i-videohan ko yung process pero hindi ko na videohan kasi nga walang holder ang lola ninyo. Kaya naman thank you sa panonood.